In this video, I'm going to show you how to estimate a 95% confidence interval. And so to start off, you'll see that I already have SPSS loaded here, and I already have some data imported into it. Just for reference, this data is data that includes school districts. So each line in this data set is a different school district in the state of New Jersey or in the state of New York, one of those two. So what we're going to do is we're going to estimate a confidence interval for this variable right here, enrollment. So we're going to estimate a confidence interval for the district enrollment of school districts in these two states. So what we're going to do is go over here to the Analyze tab. I'm going to click that. We're going to scroll down here to compare means. And then what we're going to do is go over here to one sample t-test. So I'm going to click that, and then that brings up this window right here where we can select our variables. And so since we're just looking at enrollment, going to highlight the variable here. And again, you can double click it, or you can highlight it here and drag it over, or you can highlight it and then just click. And then all you need to do is click OK. And then what we see is this table right here. So this top table here just shows descriptive statistics. So this N of 1,584, that is the number of school districts that are in our data set. This is the overall average of the variable for enrollment, so student enrollment in school districts in New York and New Jersey, since that's our data set. And then this shows the standard deviation and as well as the standard error. And then what's nice is down here, it being SPSS, will take this information and give us a confidence interval. So we don't really need to worry about anything over here on this side of the table. What we need to worry about or look at just to get our confidence interval is right here where it says 95% confidence interval, and we can ignore the of the difference part. And then this lower, so this is the lower bound of our confidence interval, which again is going to be our mean minus about 2 standard errors. And then there's the upper bound of our confidence interval, which is going to be the mean plus about 2 standard errors. And that's all we need to do to estimate a 95% confidence interval for one variable.